What's for dinner is on my mind every day, and I'm not alone. Millions of people are trying to answer the same question, and with your help, that question will be answered right in your meat department. The world of meat is changing, and the grocery stores are continuing to expand consumer options. Meat is one of the most diverse products. It can be grilled, marinated, sautéed, fried, baked, roasted. It can be used in side dishes and appetizers, put in pies, and served at every mealtime. Over the past 2 years, trends have gravitated to people staying home and cooking more and dining out less. With the recession, ground beef continues to have the strongest sales in the meat department. Family or value-sized, prepackaged fresh meat have become popular, with people feeding growing families on a budget. With the growing diverse population in the U.S., untraditional meat types have seen an increase in demand, such as goat, buffalo, and the concept of utility meat, which is using parts of meat from head to tail, including organs that are marketed ethnically. The label stating all natural continues to be a trend in the meat department. Refrigeration has come a long way since the late 1800s, when the meat packaging industry was using ice to keep meat fresh. With the advancement in technology, today there are 2 types of service refrigerated display cases that are ideal for displaying fresh meat. In a gravity coil case, cold air naturally falls and circulates around product through convection cooling. A gravity coil case will not dry out meat as quickly as the typical forced air merchandiser. The second type of case uses the exclusive technology developed by Hillphoenix called Coolgenics, which cools through conduction cooling. A cold coolant flows through the deck pans, cooling them to the desired temperature to keep meat between 34 and 35 degrees Fahrenheit. A small gravity coil in the top of the case assists in maintaining proper humidity levels and maintaining product temperature. This option helps maintain the high moisture content around the product, therefore not causing product to dry out, have weight loss, or early product loss. In self-service refrigerated meat cases, DX blower coil cases are the best choice. Self-service cases are available in single deck up to multi-deck cases that can hold up to 7 rows of shelves. Island cases and coffin type cases are also very popular choices of display cases in the meat department. Key options and accessories on refrigerated service display cases to consider when updating your meat department are: keep your scales visible to the customer with a scale stand. Don't turn your back on a customer. Fixed or flip down wrap boards and paper holders attached to the back of the case will keep your attention where it needs to be. Ideal height for service meat cases is between 50 inches and 54 inches. When selecting a base frame height, keep in mind the goal height, and don't forget to consider into the height any additions such as a curb that your case may set on to ensure no surprises. High-intensity fluorescent lights cause fading of color components and cause a potential for oxidized flavor defects. Hillphoenix offers clairvoyant LED lighting, which does not emit any harmful UV rays, therefore not assisting in color change of the product. LED lighting inherently generates less heat than fluorescence, which assists in prolonging the shelf life of the product displayed. Thanks for joining me, and if you have questions regarding refrigerated equipment in your meat department, please don't hesitate to click on the Ask a Question button, and I will personally respond back. I look forward to seeing you next month on Food for Thought.